Hi, boys and girls. So if you're doing this activity, it says good choice, sad choice. It says to color the good choices green and the sad choices red. So I'm going to read them with you. If you want to pause and color, you may. So the first one says raise your hand. If that's a good choice, color it green. If it's a sad choice, color it red. The next one says asking nicely, walking around the classroom, cleaning up after yourself, pushing in your chair, throwing away your trash, raising your hand to talk, including all friends in games. Teacher, you're going to color them based on green or red. If you need to hear it again, press play.